Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Jacobs. Listen, this video goes in conjunction with my jerk chicken video, so I'm not sure how he's gonna put those out, but just in case he wants to separate them, we're gonna make an intro for the peas and rice. Okay, so that's what we're gonna make here. So if you want to see how that is gonna turn out, then stay tuned. Okay, boom. So if you stay tuned, then that clearly means that you are interested in seeing how I'm going to do these peas and rice. Okay, we're going to do Jamaican peas and rice, but we're going to do them in the crock pot, y'all. This is simple and easy. Y'all know how the Jacobs does. We're going to try to make it easy. So your girl found a recipe online from the Caribbean Pot. So shout out to Caribbean Pot. And we are going to try to remake his recipe, but of course we're gonna do our own twang or whatever the case may be to it. Okay, so in front of me here are the ingredients that I'm gonna use, which is we're gonna use some brown rice. They use parboiled rice, but I don't really care for parboiled rice, so if you like parboiled rice, you definitely can use that. Okay, I have some coconut milk. I have a can of dark red kidney beans. I have, it's supposed to have been a 1/4 of a habanero pepper, but I'm not sure how hot that is, so I didn't put the whole 1/4. I still have some stuff on this side, so we're gonna just start with that right there, y'all. That little bit right there. And then here's some green onions. And you're gonna need some, of course, salt and pepper and some thyme. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Let's move over to the what are we talking about? The rice cooker, y'all. And I don't remember if I said crock pot or rice cooker, y'all, but this is making the peas and rice in the rice cooker, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna wash up about 3 cups of brown rice, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and we got our washed brown rice here. Let's talk about a couple of things. Okay, to this rice, before I even add the water, I'm going to add my green onions to it and my habanero pepper. Okay, like I said, it was 1/4 of a habanero pepper, and then I just cut off, like, 2 tablespoons of green onions or whatever. Okay, or if you have like scallions, you could probably do scallions as well. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there, and then we want to add some salt and pepper to it. So of course we're gonna put some salt and pepper. Let's add some salt right on top. I'm just gonna put like a tablespoon of salt to it. And then we're gonna put some pepper too. And remember, this is my first time trying this recipe, so I'm hoping that it's good. I do like peas and rice, so I definitely feel like it's gonna be good. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of thyme. So we're gonna grab a teaspoon here. Okay, so we got the thyme right here, y'all, and I'm gonna just kind of crush it up and put it in there. And remember, that's 3 cups of rice that I put in here. 3 cups of brown rice, too. And I remember if I said at the beginning that you guys can do the parboiled rice. If you prefer that, you definitely can do that, too. Okay, we're going to use that. Then we're going to put the habanero. Okay, then I'm going to put 1 can of the beans. I have 1 can of red kidney beans. That's what I'm going to use. If you have like regular red beans, you could probably use that too. Let me use this right quick. We can probably fast forward through this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain and rinse some too, because I don't know how they taste in this juice. I'm not a real big get beans out of the can type of girl. So I don't know what that juice is going to taste like, so I'm going to just rinse them off. We're going to take that, and I'm just going to put the beans in there. You just need like about a cup or so. I'm going to just put the whole can in there. It says it's 15.5 ounces, but remember, it also had all that juice in there too. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. I feel this other recipe that I saw added some garlic in theirs. So I'm just going to add a little bit of garlic, because I love garlic, so I feel like it couldn't help. That's just like maybe a 1/2 of a teaspoon of garlic in there. Okay, then we're gonna need some coconut milk. I bought this Grace's coconut milk, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this cup to fill it up with, to make the cup of milk that I'm supposed to have, y'all. So hold on 1 second. Don't use a real cup. For whatever reason, this is kind of thick. I wonder if it's supposed to be like that. Shake well before using. I'm gonna stir it up, because why is it so thick, y'all? Oh, the water's down there. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we definitely need to stir that. I don't know if we like coconut milk, y'all, but I'm assuming if it's normally in the rice that we eat when we eat our peas and rice, then I guess we do like it. I just want to stir it all up, because it seems like the water or whatever is at the bottom. And even the can says to stir well. Okay, so I just want to make sure that everything is all incorporated well. It actually looks like milk now that looks like regular milk, just kind of thicker. I hear my dog in the background. Please excuse him. My husband is about to come through the door, and he starts whining when either of us are coming home. Okay, this is how it looked after I stirred it up. So we're going to use 1 cup of it. Pour that in there. Okay, and then the other thing that the people didn't add, but I'm going to add no matter what rice I cook, I always add butter to my rice. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, the only thing that bothers me about the brown rice is we just got to make sure you have enough freaking water in it to cook everything you need. Oh, hold on, before I do I'm going to do the butter at the end when I put the water in there. Hold on, y'all. Let me just cut the butter real quick. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add like about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. The recipe on the back of that milk said, that coconut milk says something about some chicken broth. So since I don't want to use my chicken, I'm going to add water anyway, I'm just going to add a little bit of chicken bouillon to it. So hopefully that is okay. All right, so we have that, and then we're going to stir it up. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna stir it up like that, and that's what it's looking like. Okay, then let's see, I just want to make sure I didn't forget anything. Okay, y'all, it said to put some allspice in there, but I don't have any of that, so I'm just gonna put like some Tony Chachere in there, y'all. I think that should be okay. Oop. Okay, so just put a little bit of that in there. Okay, now the thing about when you go to add the water for the brown rice. So remember we had 3 cups of water. 3 cups of rice. So I'm going to need 4 1/4 cups of water, it says. But I feel like I'm going to put more because I have that other stuff in there. So instead of 4 1/4, I think I'm going to put 4 1/2. And the other thing is I'm not going to use this measuring cup. I actually measure 4 cups right here. I am going to use it to clean this thing out. But we're going to put 4 cups in there. And then I'm going to put another 1/2 cup in there. Okay, so yeah. All right, so we're going to stir that up just like that. I think it's right there. So we should be good. All right, so the thing that always we want to make sure is that we put enough water in our brown rice, y'all, because, man, that brown rice will be so freaking hard, y'all. Oh, my goodness. So that's why I said put a little bit of extra water in there just to make sure that it cooks all the way through. But now, if you have that parboiled rice, then you probably don't have to worry about cooking it as long. Just cook it however long it says on that directions, y'all. Okay, this right here, I'm just going by what it says on that thing, and I'm just using the rest of that water to clean that cup out and pour it in there. Okay. All right. So then we have that, and then now I'm gonna put my butter in it. And if you have the rice cooker like mine, then you can just put it on brown rice. So I put about a teaspoon of butter or whatever in there. Just gonna put it on brown rice. So cut it on, cook it on brown rice, and then let it go, you guys. Okay? And then we'll show you what it looks like after it gets done. Easy peasy. Okay, y'all, we are back talking about the brown rice that I made. Okay, let's open it up. It's finished cooking. Ooh, hold on. Let me bring you guys in there. That actually looks really good, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm super duper happy. Okay, let's stir it up. Oh my goodness, y'all. Hopefully all the brown rice is cooked. But yes, that looks really good, y'all. So that is the brown rice. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up for my husband. I don't know if I need to wait the 5 minutes, y'all. But the man on the video like waited before he served it after he stirred his stuff up. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. Okay, the rice definitely does look like it's cooked and everything. So hopefully everybody will enjoy it, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a plate up, and then we're gonna be done. Okay, y'all, so let's do the plate up for Papa. We already have the little beans and rice, or peas and rice, right there on the side. Check out my peas and rice video. We're gonna put some steamed broccoli on there. Okay, and then last but not least, we're gonna put that chicken on there with that juice, y'all. Ooh. Yes, y'all. And that is gonna be it, and that is gonna be all for the jerk chicken. Put juice on my rice too, y'all. Alright, so there you have it, you guys. That is the final plate up for the jerk chicken, steamed broccoli, and peas and rice. So until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Cooking with the Jacobs. Bye.